The Chemicals and Polymers Graduate Research Industry Program, which we call the GRIP for short, is preparing PhD researchers for careers in industry, but not exclusively in industry. They can still go into academia or government and other positions. What we've tried to do in the program is bring industry, academia and the PhD researchers together so that the projects are intimately connected with the companies or government departments that might sponsor them.
What I learned, besides the research aspect, was also managing your time and looking at it from an entrepreneurial perspective. While you're doing a PhD research, you focus on the sole purpose of the project, but you're also looking at managing time within a certain time frame. You're looking at complete project management on your own and also in collaboration with other universities, as well as other research facilities like CSIRO and ANSTO. So you're looking at multidisciplinary research within different divisions, and that kind of brings a skill set for you in the future career force, where you have to actually collaborate with other partners from other divisions as well to get something done.
The GRIP program has proved very beneficial because it enables companies who have either problems or blue sky ideas to actually bring them to reality. With the world-class academics here at Monash and the facilities available, the two can be brought together very, very well.
The GRIP program helped me immensely in my career because I ended up getting a job with the company I was working with in the GRIP. Everything has to have a purpose. For industry, you want to either improve a product or sell a new product. It's definitely a big picture. You need to have a goal and a purpose and a time frame for everything. Yeah.
So the GRIP program is a fantastic initiative because it really allows students to go to industry and, as they're studying, learn on the job. Chemistry Australia has been a partner in the program since its inception. Many of Chemistry Australia's members are actively supporting the program as well.
From the start, they're very imbued within their industry partner, and so as opposed to just sponsoring the research, the industry tends to be quite heavily involved. So they give us a lot of their insights for the business field that they work in.
The GRIP program really sets up the PhD researchers who are part of the program to solve the problems that industry has into the future by arming them with the knowledge they need to operate in an industrial environment.
It just made me think about, what we need to get done, when and how, and you really have to make a stepwise plan for everything. So yeah.
For one thing, it gives you options to explore. Whether you want to take your research in an academic perspective or whether you want to pursue an industry path from there on, that's definitely what it highlighted for me.
It's doing chemistry in the best possible way for future generations. And we want to generate PhD graduates who will be leaders in the future to address those world problems, not only from a technical point of view, but they can also inform government policy, they can lead change and innovation and hopefully transform the chemical industry.